Manual fields are fields that you add in yourself that contain extra notes or details about the files in your collection. Adding a manual field to a collection is similar to adding a new column to a spreadsheet to type in notes about a line item or a file. A manual field can contain either text, numbers, dates, or checkbox values. Manual fields are different from extraction fields because the values for manual fields may not appear on your document itself. Extraction fields, on the other hand, are used to extract values found on a document. In this video, I'll walk through two example use cases for manual fields. The first example is to add a manual field with a text value. Let's say you've extracted data like invoice number, date, and customer from a group of invoices. However, you'd also like to add a column like this one, so you can freely add notes about any invoice with information that doesn't appear on the invoice itself. To create this field, while in your collection, click the plus button to the right of your collection data to add a field. Give your manual field a name, like Notes. Select Add a Manual Field from the drop-down menu under Type. Choose Text for value type and click Create. You can now type in notes while you're here in Collection View. Or you can click any file to open Extraction View and type in your notes there. You can always double-click any manual field value to make any edits you need. Now, let's add in two additional manual fields. A checkbox field to indicate whether an invoice has been paid, and a date field to show when it was paid. To add a checkbox, click the plus sign. Name your new field Paid and select Add a Manual Field under Type. Choose Checkbox or Value Type and hit Create. You can now freely check or uncheck these boxes. Now, let's add a date field. Use the same steps as before. Click the plus, name your field, select Manual Field, but choose Date before hitting Create. You can now choose a date from the calendar, or choose to type it in yourself. You also have the option to open any file to add or edit values in Extraction View. This is how to add manual fields from Extraction View. Open any file, select New Field, and click the three dots by the field types. Select Add a Manual Field. Name your field, choose the value type you want, and create your field. And that's how to create and use manual fields. Check out the description for links to learn more. Thanks for watching.